Hello everyone, here I am back with another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to access your Windows app folder on Windows 11. Now just click on this PC and click local disk C. In local disk, just click program file. Here you can able to see the folder name Windows app. If you can't able to see the Windows folder name, just in top click on view option. In that click show on show, just check whether this hidden item is enabled or not. You have to turn on the hidden items. You can't able to see the Windows apps, and turning on this hidden item is very important. Now just click on the Windows app. It is showing that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. And now just click on the Windows apps and right click and go to properties. In that properties, click on the security and click advanced. In here you can able to see the option change. Just click on change option, and here you have to enter your username. To check your username, just click on search button and type command prompt. Here you can able to see the command prompt option. Just right click and give run as administrator. Now just type echo space %username % and hit enter button. Here you can able to see your username. And now just type your username here and click check names and give OK and give apply and OK. Now again click on Windows app. You can able to access the all file location in Windows apps. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.